Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Cushion Makeup Mega Cushion Foundation SPF 15 that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I told you guys I will be doing a tutorial about it. If you can remember, this is what it looks like. Okay, I got it for $1 from the Dollar Tree, and I told you guys I picked up two, but I'm only using one today. So they are the I got it in a medium deep tone right here. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using today. So this is what the foundation looks like. Okay, so it does come with a sponge here, and you open this part up. You open this part up, and here is where the foundation is. So this is what the foundation looks like. I don't know if that's my complexion, but I pick a medium neutral. Yeah, medium neutral deep, medium deep. So hopefully this will work. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face. I just came back from a outing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put my hair back, and then just gonna wipe my face. So what I'm gonna do is to show you how the product is. I'm just gonna start my face and show you guys, and then I will finish my makeup, off camera. But just wanted to show you how this foundation is working. So I try to demo as much stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, like I show you guys I would. So to try to show you guys how this product actually works. So yeah, so now that we finished doing that, so I'm gonna use my primer. This is what I'm using, by the way. So I'm not gonna do eyeshadow or anything like that. I'm just gonna put on a makeup, and then the foundation, and then just a like a lip gloss or a lipstick. That's it. I'm not going nowhere. So I'm not doing no foundation, eyeshadow look or anything like that. Okay, just to let you know. So now we are going to apply this foundation. So now I'm taking my sponge like this, and then dab the product. This is a little bit lighter. So this is medium deep, y'all. So So this is medium deep, y'all. This is medium deep. So obviously it's not my shade. It's lighter than my complexion. So it looks like I should have went for deep instead of medium deep. So I was trying to be on the safe side. But I'm gonna play with it and try to blend it as much as possible and use my powder to try to yeah, fix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer. So once I blend this concealer and everything else, I'm gonna go off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna go off camera and, you know, finish my face like I told you earlier, because I want you to see the product on my face before I literally try to correct it, because obviously look at my complexion and look at the foundation. So I'm gonna set my face off camera and everything else. I'll come back and show you guys my final result. Oh my god, this look like disaster. You understand what I mean? But I'll come back with everything all done, okay? But this is my face before I go off camera. Okay guys, so I've come back and I fixed my face to the best of my ability. So this is how my face is looking and this is how my neck is looking. So I try as much as possible, but you know, I don't know, it's coming off the camera a little bit lighter, even though I did all my magic that I can and stuff, but I think it's better than what it was before. So I will put a side by side picture to show you guys. But again, I got a medium deep, so thinking that this is medium deep natural, so thinking that I think it's okay, you know. So once it's, you know, oxidized, which I think it looks great afterwards, my face is glowing and everything. So I don't think for $1, you know, it's, you know, it's that bad at all. So yeah. So what do you guys think? The foundation for $1. So like I said, I'm not doing an eyeshadow look or anything like that. So what do you guys think? Let me come closer for you guys to see my neck and my foundation. I blended to the best of my ability, so they kind of match, you know. So what do you guys think? So I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? Just a little bit. If I would have got a deeper tone in my voice, if I would have got a deeper tone, like deep, would have been better. But again, I'm not mad because it's not much different from my skin tone to my complexion, because the way I'm looking at through here, it looks okay. So maybe the way you guys are viewing it, it still looks lighter than what I'm seeing. But what I'm seeing in my mirror, you know, it's it's okay. So let me know what you guys think down below. So yeah, this hair tutorial is coming up, and let me know what you guys think. You guys say you want a lot of makeup tutorial and stuff like that. So yeah, I will definitely pick this up. You know, like I said, even though it's not my complexion, I would have got deeper tone instead of medium deep. I should have got deep. But again, I pulled up to the best of my ability, and this is only $1, so it won't hurt the bank in my pocket or anything. So if I see anything, but when you look at it, see, it's looking lighter on camera, but on here it's darker. You understand what I mean? It's darker. So again, I got few. What's in it? If I have a darker makeup and stuff like that, I would definitely mix this with my darker foundation, so it will give me that blend. So definitely, recommending that. And my face is glowing, like really, really glowing. I love what I'm looking at. I love what I'm looking at. And it's not too much. I'm not going anywhere. It's just to show you guys, to review this product. I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's just minimalistic. Bye. What do you guys think? Like, that's basically it. Hello? That's it. That's like to chill in the house. Who won't pay for $1 for Wet n Wild Mega? Yeah, what is it? The Mega Cushion Foundation. Can't beat it. Let me know what you think, guys. Look at that. Yeah. So let me know what you think, and yeah, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.